This is going to be an install and review video on the Start X remote starter kit off of Amazon for a 2015 F150. I think I paid like 120 bucks for this thing. Ordered it last night on Amazon, came a couple hours later, overnight shipping free. It's, I think, the cheapest remote starter on the market, so we'll just see how it is. Now in the box you're going to find a wiring harness, the actual module itself, some zip ties and then instructions. And then to install it, you got to come under here, unplug the Obd 2 port, and then insert that Obd 2 port into the female connector, and then this end back into the Obd 2 port, and then these two wires right here go back to the module itself. So let me get that going and I'll be back. Alright, so now once you unplug your Obd 2 port, you want to take the male side connector from the car, plug in the female side from the wiring harness, and then from the wiring harness you want to just take this with the orientation, those little tabs facing down, and plug it right back. Into the Obd 2 port. It's a little difficult right now because it's 4 degrees I think outside and everything's really stiff. But hopefully we can get this. Okay, so now that the wiring harness is plugged in, you want to take this little black connector while holding the program button, plug it in like so, and these LEDs are going to start flashing. When it's only on blue, you want to let go. Then you come over here, take the other white connector, still near remaining connector, plug this in like so. And now after a few seconds, there should be a blinking yellow LED light here. Okay, so that was actually my mistake. You actually need to first turn the ignition on, and then you're gonna get those lights here. Now this yellow should start blinking sometime soon. Okay, now after a few seconds, you got the blue flashing LED. Once you have that, you can go ahead, turn the ignition off, turn it back on, off, back on. Now after 5 seconds, you should have this amber LED. Now once this is constant, you know that the program has been successful, and hopefully it works. Alright, so now that we've got the module programmed, let's give it a try. You want to hit the lock button, unlock button, lock button. And it said there should be up to a 20-second delay. And there we have it. $120 Amazon remote starter.